All right. So I was just showing you that if you would like to have a poster presentation, and you are looking for the content and you are searching for the topic, that what topic you should work on. So first of all, see that does it interest you, or is it relevant to your field? Because mainly you are nursing in the nursing profession. So maybe I believe that you may be more interested in in on the in the topics that are more of related to diseases, that are more of related to preventive measures, that are more of related to nursing field. All right, or maybe the new researches. COVID-19 is a very current definitely topic. So this is one example. All right, I can show you one more. Look at this: physical activities in youth. So you see that each and every section, like what is the goal? So this yellow color box has goal and output and input. Though it is not very standard and it is done by school level students, maybe we can say that, but you can choose something. Okay, and so these are 3D or 3D dimensional, right? Like this is one, as you can see, this is a kind of a Panaflex something, all right, that has been made by the student and it has been put up on the softboard. होगा क्या? Normally what happens that if you would like to work on your posters, last time semester 4 students submitted their posters and they were amazing. So अगर तो आप manually कर रहे हैं, right? So what you need to do, you have to join 3 or 4 charts, all right, and make it big, because definitely if you are trying to put everything on that one chart which is very small, so it will not be Acha, Ume Farwa. I will try because it is quite far. I hope that it is not, it is okay now because I have increased the volume too. Okay. Are you getting me? So you actually cannot work with that one chart because it is very small. You cannot put everything in it. Okay. So, okay. Memuna is asking for rejoining. Okay. Okay, so ask her to join. What is the issue? I removed somebody who I did not know. All right, कोई strange name था. I don't know if it was Memuna, but I removed. I cannot keep her until you students are entering in the room with your own names. Okay. Okay. So that was one thing. Now let's get started. Another thing that I would like to show you, थोड़ा सा हम इसको overview कर लेते हैं. Research, okay? If you want to work on your research articles or something, okay. I showed you some examples, like these all are the examples of general topics, right? Internet, it is about, uh, you know, social media. Now, what about the research poster overview, right? If you're going to give the presentation about the research paper or any research, so what does it include? What is it? So the purpose of the research poster is to visually present the general overview data and most relevant findings of a research project. Okay? So definitely this is definitely for the researchers, all right? At university level, when students are assigned the task of the research, and it is research is a definitely a very long process. It's not a one day thing and it is not a one time thing, all right? So ये पूरा एक procedure follow होता है. In the previous semester मैंने आपको पूरा research का topic पढ़ाया था, clear? Qualitative research, quantitative research, what does include in the research, abstract writing, method, literature review, so survey, respondents, डेटा एनालिसिस, वो सारी चीज़ें इसमें इन्वॉल्व होती हैं. सो वंस द रिसर्च इज डन, अब उसको प्रेजेंट करने के लिए आप क्या कहते हैं, यू गिव पोस्टर प्रेजेंटेशन. Typically, research poster accompany an oral presentation for the project that is conducted, but it should also be independently represent the research. Clear? So, research posters के भी rules तकरीबन same होते हैं. Content and the context, right? When creating a research poster, it is important to consider the various context. like what is the message, what is the medium, and what are the components. Look at this. जब हम message की बात करते हैं, so research presentation में who is your audience? I mean that who will be attending your poster presentation. When you will be preparing your posters, you have the target audience that the students will that the audience will be KGH students. All right, junior ones, the generic and the junior post RN. Okay, so this is you have to keep in mind कि आपकी जो target audience है वो students हैं. What are you trying to communicate to them? अब you should be very clear. आपका message पूरा clear होना चाहिए that what are you trying to communicate? What is the main idea? What is the important message to convey through your research poster? Medium क्या है? Where are you presenting this information? All right. What delivery method? You be using to share your why? Will your content be presented in person or virtually? So like आपकी it is an online presentation or it is face to face. Okay, so what will be the medium of the presentation? This is materiality. What is the importance of this information? Again, I told you that when you pick a topic for a poster presentation, you should think that why I'm choosing this. What is the significance? How it will be helpful for the students? Okay, those who will be attending. How will it be of their interest? Okay? And why is your research topic relevant to your audience and the field of study? So आप दोनों तरह को देखें. आप general aspect से भी this information can be very helpful, and from the research point of view, this information can be very helpful. How is it applicable beyond this? Right? Any research that you do, it opens the doors of further information. It leaves the audience with question. एक research के base पर दूसरी research questions जन्म लेते हैं, ठीक है? So this happens that one information opens the doors for further research. What is the formatting consideration? We already have done that you have to have appropriate graphics and everything. Dimensions. अच्छा, dimensions means poster size. So अगर आप उसको Panaflex पे कर रहे हैं, so I think this slide can be very helpful. I will share this PowerPoint presentation with you. That 48 by 36 can be positioned either horizontally or vertically. All right. And the benefit of trifold poster, it creates 3 visual spaces. Trifold, I just showed you that it is 3-dimensional. All right. So you can also choose to make a kind of the poster board and then paste your Panaflex or paste your poster on it. So it will be 3-dimensional. Layout. Okay. So there are 2 main layout poster styles in the physical layout. Like one is horizontal and one is the vertical. So when selecting your poster display style, it is important that you consider you will be delivering information using your presentation and the nature of presentation. So you see कि आप जब उसको display करेंगे, will it be clearly visible to the audiences? कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि आपने information को इस तरह से put up किया है that it is hiding. Font size, please read this slide. अभी already have discussed कि font size क्या होना चाहिए, color combination क्या होना चाहिए, all right? And is there any font and the alignments as well? Okay, it is recommended the title be displayed in 85 points font author. अच्छा, ये आपकी public उसके लिए है, you see, we already have discussed that. Okay, your subheadings should be 36, your text should be 24, your captions, below the pictures, they can be 18 points, right? When in doubt, print your poster, hang it on the wall, और आप preview भी देख सकते हैं. Clear? I will show you some good posters and some good posters. These are some examples of images. This is a bad image because it is blur, and this is a good image because it is very clear. And can you see that the image credit has also been given, that it is CC by, common licensing होनी चाहिए. आप जो pictures को select करते हैं, I will show you कि आप pictures कैसे select कर सकते हैं which are licensed. That will not pose you in the copyright threats or something. So there is a way of searching. That's it. Okay. Look at this. I will show you some good posters examples and some bad posters examples. These are some research posters examples. Okay, I showed you some general topics examples in the last session, and because this session is about the research paper, so literacy in the United States. It is one of the posters. Now, what is in the chat box? ओके अच्छा, मोहम्मद फारूक, बिल्कुल हम ग्रुप पे भी बात करेंगे, ठीक है? मैं आपसे डिस्कस करूंगी और ग्रुप में भी वी विल बी कम्युनिकेटिंग. इंग्लिश का ग्रुप ओपन है, ओपन फॉर चैट, तो प्लीज हम उसमें फर्दर डिस्कस कर लेंगे इस मसले को, ठीक है? अच्छा, लिटरेसी इन द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मेथड्स एज इट इज, आपने क्या किया, उसको पैराग्राफ वे में लिख दिया. दिस इज अ बैड एग्जांपल, ऑलराइट, नॉट अ गुड पोस्टर. नाउ लुक एट दिस वन. This is an example of an horizontal good poster. That this is an abstract. यहाँ पर आपकी graphical presentation आ गई है. All right. Now look at this. Here literature review plus यहाँ पर आपके methods आ गए. Look at this. Research questions क्या है? Data collection, coding process. Okay. फिर आपकी case study है Elizabeth Holmes की. फिर आपके findings है कि आपकी research findings क्या हुई. रिसर्च तो यही होती है ना कि रिसर्च में आपका क्या होता है, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट होता है, रिसर्च क्वेश्चन होता है, मेथड होता है, केस स्टडीज होती हैं, लिटरेचर रिव्यू होता है एंड फाइंडिंग्स होती हैं. ओके, एंड दिस इज अनदर एग्जांपल, इंट्रोडक्शन, ओके, पायलट स्टडी, स्टडी डिजाइन, or whatever the way and the headings you would like to put in. Now a very important thing, that how you should be presenting. आप उसको present कैसे करेंगे? All right, this is very important कि आपकी presentation कैसी होनी चाहिए. If you are not prepared and your poster is very good, it is of no use. All right, so you definitely have to work on your presentation skills, on your speaking skills. All right, and on the content that you want to deliver. So let me share a video with you. मैं बहुत जल्दी से आपको शेयर करूंगी. Not this one. Okay, so you see, this is the kind of an ambience, right? जब आप एक बड़ा सा hall होता है and there are all the presenters with their posters and the audiences, you know, they are visiting each stall, they are visiting each booth and taking presentations. So this kind of an ambience and this is the kind of an environment. I think we are going to create the same. Clear? Acha, my screen is visible to you, your YouTube screen, so that I play. यहाँ पर just write in the chat box so that I get the endorsement. Okay, chalo. Thank you so much, Marvis. All right, let's get started now.
That have very little sound absorbing material. Basic tips for how to present your poster and some common situations that you're likely to encounter and how to handle them. But before we do that, let me say a few words about what poster sessions are like. Poster sessions occur in very social and interactive settings. There are often dozens or hundreds of posters in very large rooms that have very little sound absorbing material. Plus, there's lots of people walking around, often with food and drink, and they're all talking to one another, especially the first time. So you should be prepared for that.
Analysis of high school.
Okay, now this is an example that a student is giving a presentation. Okay, I will ask you that is it good or not?
Football prospects. I'm the author, Anthony Franklin, and I worked with Dr. Thomas Ryland. Introduction is successful teams have elite players. In the expanding business of collegiate sports, losing football programs result in more than low school spirit.
Okay, now please write in the chat box, is it an effective way of presentation? Write in the, no, Cheryl is saying no. All right, and can you see the expressions of that girl who is taking the poster presentation? All right, who is as the audience? Okay, so this is reading. He is constantly focusing. He is reading from the board. But Cheryl, you are right. Okay, very nice, very nice. Good responses. Thank you so much.
For major
Hold on. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Rule number 1, don't read your poster. A poster is a visual tool, and you should use it that way. Instead of reading word for word, what you should be doing is speaking in a less formal manner, using the tables and the maps and the other graphics on your poster to hold the conversation with your viewer. Did you notice what happened there? The presenter was staring at his words rather than engaging with the viewer. That's not the right way to do it. If you avoid reading your poster, that's not likely to happen. So again, don't read your poster.
Tell me what you did.
Well, I
Okay, now you're going to see a little bit of change after this, right? Because the in this video, you heard from this expert that the reading is not actually a good way, and as it is never suggested whenever you are giving a presentation, be it a PowerPoint presentation or a poster presentation. Now, after this feedback, see his presentation now, and do you feel any change? I'll ask you.
I worked with from California all the way to Florida, including Texas. And I looked at all the major conferences throughout the country. Oh, and I used the Poisson distribution as the distribution for my Poisson regression model. And my model, I used a natural log link function. And I noticed that temperature in spring football.
Hold on, wait a minute. Okay, things are getting better there, but they're not quite there yet. Rule number 2 is be prepared. Did you notice that the presenter this time was animated?
Okay, yes. What is your point of view about it? Just write in the chat box. Write in the chat box. What do you think? What does animated mean? I will be sharing. Yes.
He was using his poster as a tool. He was pointing to the.
Okay. Now you see that still it wasn't better. क्योंकि थोड़ा सा वो animated लग रहा था. All right. Now he's giving more
maps and the graphics. He was engaging with his viewer. But didn't you get the impression that maybe he'd never even seen this poster before, or at least that he'd never thought about anybody coming up and saying, "What did you do?"
Okay. So did you? Can you just write 3 points that he has mentioned? What 3 things he improved, or what 2 things he improved? The second turn. Yes, please. All right. You are still not answering me. Okay. Are you with me? Let me wake you up. Let me wake you up. He improved. Nakash, please unmute yourself and tell me. He was telling information with no sequence. Okay. All right. That was one thing. Even though he little bit improved. Nakash, please tell me, what did you observe? First and the second part, how did this guy improve? Did he improve? Aapko lagta hai? Was it little better? First, don't see poster and be prepared. Okay. And Nakash is not in the class. I'm going to mark absent. Nakash. Okay. Sabahat is saying gestures. All right. Okay. Fine. Not improved. Noreen is saying, or not. No, we should give little credit that he little improved, right? Because he was engaging the audience. He was pointing out the you can say body language changed. Yes. All right. And he was engaging. Thoda sa eye contact. Looking at the person who was taking the presentation. So he improved, but still, hear the word from this expert. He's saying, ऐसा लग रहा था कि उसने पहले कभी ये poster देखा ही नहीं. Okay, so you see that you should know that where your information is located, what is on the poster. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि poster वाले दिन आप सबको पता लग रहा है, अच्छा ये है poster में. Okay, I have to speak this. Please don't do that. Okay, because it requires a lot of practice. I'm telling you. अगर आपको पोस्टर बनाने में 10 दिन लगते हैं, so exactly the 10 days you should spend on the speaking, on the presentation. Your presentation should be very effective. What if we have arranged an activity in a big hall, all right, and we invited the students and the management people, and you with your amazing poster displayed, and you are just standing and you are not able to speak at all, and it is silence all over. Oh my God, it will be a disaster. It will be a disaster. So make sure that You have to prepare.
Be prepared. Particularly if you're someone who's entering your poster into a contest, you should expect someone, like a judge, to come up and ask you, tell me what you did. Have a 2-minute presentation ready in your head and be ready to walk through it when someone asks that question. Remember, be prepared.
So tell me what you found.
When one is looking to predict the rate at which states produce elite football recruits, there are two important factors to consider. One is the temperature of the state, and two is whether the state offers high school football in the spring semester. Not all states offer spring football. In fact, not many do. But for the ones that do, they often have a higher rate of recruits that get produced from the state. And for instance, the top 6 are Florida, Georgia, Mississippi, Texas, Louisiana, and California. Nearly 68% of the states produce less than 2.
Awesome. Wow, that was so much better. Let's look at what happened right there. So first of all,
Okay. All right. So what did he say? What was his feedback? Just write in the chat box. Do you think a little improved? Or it was much better this time? Yes? Did he improve this time? Okay. Much better. Yes, yes, it was awesome. All right. Now, one very quick video that I'm going to show you is this. Okay. All right. Much better. Aisha and all of you are saying much better. ठीक है. Only Zishan is saying little better. I will just show you few minutes.
Our project was deep learning for music language modeling. It's similar to
Okay, guys, please observe them. See, we learn by imitation. बेटा अगर आपको सीखना है अच्छी presentation, if you want to learn, all right, so just see some examples. All right, we learn by imitation. Imitation is one of the theories of learning. ठीक है? So please इसको देखें and just tell me that what do you think about this? Okay.
Our project was deep learning for music language modeling. It's similar to natural language processing, except instead of using a human language like English or Spanish, we analyze the music language. So essentially what we're trying to do is every time a group wants to do something with music, either music generation, music transcription, they have to go through this whole process of finding the best model to use. Now, they never explain how they came to that. They just say, here's a model, it works, trust us. We wanted to show all of the different kind of models that you can use to alleviate some of the growing pains for other researchers.
So we used a machine learning technique called neural networks to solve this problem, and I'll just talk about.
Yes, guys, what is your opinion about it? Tell me. What do you think? How better this presentation, or how okay this presentation was, or what is your opinion about these guys giving presentation? Yes. Write in the chat box if you think that it was better. Okay. Okay, she was prepared. All right, and you see that it did not look as if it was something that they have memorized. ऐसा नहीं लगा कि उन्होंने कोई memorize किया हुआ है. And when they are giving presentation, they are just recalling the information. Oh, then we have done. You know, sometimes you do that. That when you memorize something that I have to speak, no, it was coming out very naturally. So when you do things yourself, when you are well prepared, so you know you speak so naturally and flawlessly. Okay, so this is also expected from you, that when you do your presentation, you also have to prepare yourself that way. Okay, so थोड़ा सा हम आते हैं और research को further हम करते हैं explore. Like, I think everything that I wanted to show you is done.
some of the results that we found with that.
Okay. Did you miss anything regarding poster presentation? Okay. Just one thing. Okay, so now, so we have discussed what research poster looks like, all right? Research poster का थोड़ा सा different होता है, okay? उसमें ये होता है कि आपको research के steps follow करने पड़ते हैं, clear? Just one clarification I would like to give you. जो research poster होता है, उसमें you have to tell the process, everything, that the purpose of the research question, the method, who are the respondents, how did you collect the data, how did you analyze the data, what are the findings and everything. However, the general topics on which you would like to create your posters, like how internet has changed today's marketing communication. So इसके अंदर आपने क्या किया? You have stated the facts and figures, but आपने उसको search किया है, आपने facts and figures उसके अंदर mention किए हैं. Similarly, just imagine that you would like to do a presentation on cancer or COVID-19. So when you are searching for data, you are searching for information and the content on Google. So you will, you know what to present, what information will be interesting, what information will be valuable to share regarding COVID-19 with the audience. All right. From Pakistani perspective, you would like to talk about, you would like to talk internationally. So हर topic के अंदर बहुत कुछ होता है. So it does not mean that you are talking about everything and you're putting everything on the poster. आप उसको contextualize करें. You will only be talking about COVID-19 effects in Pakistan, COVID-19 in Pakistan. हमने क्या किया? How we dealt, how it affected our education, how it affected our industry, our economy, our finances and everything, and the personal and the mental health of a common Pakistani men, or you would like to talk internationally. ठीक है, तो आपने एक अपना एक you have to क्या कहेंगे उसको, you have to have a topic which is very specific. फैलाएं ना टॉपिक को कि अभी आप यूएस की बात कर रहे हैं, वहां से जंप लगा के आप चाइना चले गए, वहां से जंप लगा के आप पाकिस्तान आ गए, देन अगेन यू वेंट बैक टू यूएस. ये नहीं करना आपने. क्लियर? सो स्पेसिफिक होना बहुत जरूरी है. ओके, वी हैव 6 minutes to go, so let me share with you one more thing, that is I'm giving you a deadline. Next Monday को, Monday से पहले everybody, next Monday से पहले आपके groups बन जाने चाहिए. Okay, you have to make your groups and share your topics with me. Topic के साथ key points that our poster, this is our main topic, these will be subheadings और इसके अंदर हम ये बताएंगे. So it means why I'm giving you 1 week only for the topic and then tell me, because you also have to search the content and just make up your mind. Okay, this will be my poster about this, is my poster is going to be about this, and I will be saying this is and this. फिर detailed searching आप बाद में कीजिएगा, फिर उसका formatting, images searching आप बाद में कर सकते हैं. Clear हो गया? Clear? All right. Any questions?